Title: The Dark Energy Mystery, Why the Universe is Expanding Faster. Subscribe and turn on the bell, because what you're about to discover will completely change how you see reality. We are about to explore one of the greatest riddles in modern science, a discovery that shattered everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. For most of human history, people believed the heavens were fixed, eternal, and unchanging. Then telescopes revealed galaxies, thousands, then billions, each racing away through infinite space. By the late 20th century, scientists believed expansion would eventually slow, maybe even stop. Gravity, they thought, would one day win. But the universe had other plans. When astronomers measured light from distant exploding stars, supernovae, they found those galaxies weren't slowing down at all. They were speeding up. Something unknown was pushing them apart with unstoppable force. That invisible force became known as dark energy. It doesn't shine, it doesn't absorb, it doesn't behave like anything we can touch. Yet it dominates everything, 70% of the universe. Imagine space as an elastic fabric. Every second, that fabric stretches a little more, driven by a hidden pressure. The farther apart galaxies are, the faster they move away. It's not the galaxies moving through space, it's space itself expanding. Dark energy is the reason why, no matter where you stand in the cosmos, every other galaxy seems to flee. It's like dots on a balloon. As the balloon inflates, each dot moves away from all the others, even though none of them are moving on their own. But what exactly is causing this cosmic inflation? One idea is that dark energy is built into the fabric of space. Even a perfect vacuum is not truly empty. Quantum physics tells us the void seethes with virtual particles flickering in and out of existence. Perhaps that quantum buzz creates pressure, stretching the universe from within. Another possibility is that dark energy is something entirely new, a field or force that changes with time. Some physicists call it quintessence, a dynamic form of energy that evolves as the universe ages. If that's true, the future of everything depends on how this energy behaves. If it strengthens, expansion will accelerate forever. Galaxies will slip beyond each other's sight, stars will die out, and the night sky will fade into total darkness. But if it weakens, gravity may one day reclaim control, pulling everything back together in a final collapse, a big crunch that erases everything we've ever known. Pause for a second and imagine that. Every atom, every planet, every galaxy, collapsing back into one blinding point, then maybe, starting over. Could our universe be one in an endless cycle of expansion and collapse, death and rebirth? Press like if that idea blows your mind. It helps send these cosmic truths to more curious minds like yours. Dark energy doesn't just shape the far future, it influences everything happening right now. It decides how galaxies form, how stars live and die, even how the cosmic web itself evolves. The discovery of dark energy began with the Hubble Space Telescope and grew with powerful surveys mapping millions of galaxies. Today, new missions, like the James Webb, the Vera Rubin Observatory, and the Euclid satellite, are searching for its signature in unprecedented detail. They track how light stretches as it travels through space. They measure the patterns of galaxies to see how expansion changes over billions of years. Every new observation narrows the possibilities, bringing us closer to the truth. But the truth keeps getting stranger. Some data hint that dark energy might not be constant. It could fluctuate, stronger in some eras, weaker in others, like a cosmic tide breathing across time. If that's real, then our universe might have a kind of rhythm, expanding in pulses too vast for any human lifetime to notice. And here's the mind-bending part: if space itself is energy, then by existing inside it, we are part of that energy. Every breath you take, every photon that touches your skin, is connected to the same invisible force that drives galaxies apart. You are, literally, a fragment of the universe's expansion, matter learning to wonder about itself. Pause. Feel that. Everything around you, this room, this planet, the Milky Way, exists because of balance between gravity trying to pull together and dark energy pushing apart. It's the ultimate cosmic tension, the tug-of-war that defines reality. Scientists are now trying to measure dark energy's equation of state, how it changes with time and density. They do it using baryon acoustic oscillations, gravitational lensing, and the cosmic microwave background. These are technical words, but what they really mean is this: we're mapping the invisible skeleton of the universe. We can even see its influence on galaxy clusters, the way they slow down or speed up depending on the surrounding dark energy pressure. If this doesn't make you feel small and powerful at the same time, nothing will. Press like and share, it helps more people discover the awe hiding behind simple facts. There's also a question almost no one asks: what if dark energy could be harnessed? It sounds impossible, but so did electricity once. Some theoretical physicists suggest that if we understood the quantum structure of dark energy, we might tap it, not with machines, but by reshaping spacetime itself. Imagine civilizations in the far future using controlled expansion as propulsion, moving between galaxies on the current of dark energy itself. Science fiction today, maybe science tomorrow. Humanity has always turned mysteries into technologies. Fire, flight, nuclear energy, all once unimaginable. Why not the energy that drives the universe? Every generation faces one cosmic mystery. For us, it's dark energy. Solving it might not only explain the universe, it could secure our survival within it. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those stars are not just drifting, they're being carried by something no one can see, something that fills the gaps between everything. It's humbling and beautiful all at once. We exist because the universe expands. Without dark energy, maybe everything would have collapsed long ago. Perhaps dark energy isn't our enemy, but our silent guardian, keeping creation alive a little longer. If that thought makes you pause, comment below: do you think the universe will expand forever, or fall back into darkness? Every opinion adds another voice to this cosmic conversation. Follow for more cinematic science and hidden truths of our cosmos. Because the more we learn, the brighter our tiny corner of the universe becomes. FACTSTORM, amazing facts for a smarter world. Light never dies, it only travels. And tonight, it reached you.